We entertain y'all. Why should we have to pay taxes? What is going on, everybody? Logan here for a new video, and today I'm going to be talking about taxes and YouTube, and do YouTubers even pay taxes? Now, yes, of course, I was just joking in an opening clip. I don't believe that YouTubers deserve exceptions. Honestly, I feel like we should actually be taxed more. Yes, of course we pay taxes. I'm sure many of y'all heard the old saying, you know, only two things are guaranteed in life, death and taxes. And you can bet your butt that Uncle Sam is not going to allow somebody to make money without taking a little bit of a chunk from it. Now, why do I think that YouTubers need to be taxed more when I'm a YouTuber myself? That's because of all of the write-offs. All these major YouTubers out there who like travel the world, do all kind of vlogs and things like that, they write those vacations off because YouTube is their main source of income. It's their business. And having to fly to Saudi Arabia to do some crazy video over there, you know, some vlog, that is a business expenditure. Same thing with me. I mean, technically, since my YouTube is directly involved with my car, I mean, I drag race and everything like that, I could write that off as a business expenditure. I have to do repairs on it. I mean, I spend a bunch of money on my car, which if I wanted to make YouTube an actual business, I could actually claim that on my deductions. Will the IRS let me do it? Maybe, maybe not. I'm not going to take that chance simply because I just don't want to be audited. And honestly, my car isn't just for business purposes. It's my daily driver. I just so happen to do videos on it. But there are major YouTubers out there, which I was talking to one a few months ago, who does claim everything that he spends on his YouTube, which, you know, I could actually claim the camera. I could do that confidently. I could claim this camera and anything else that I use, such as the lighting, different things that are directly related to my YouTube, I could claim those on my taxes. Now, at what point do YouTubers need to actually start claiming their money? The second you start making anything, whether it be $1, $20, $500, $100,000, you have to claim your income. I mean, like 2 years ago, well, for 2017, I only made about $5 total in that entire year. Technically, I had to claim that on my taxes. And until you make a certain amount of money, Google's not going to send you a 1099. You actually have to make about $600, then they'll send you the 1099 will show exactly how much you made the previous year, and you do have to pay taxes on it. So I don't want y'all thinking that, you know, YouTubers are making all this money and we don't have to pay anything on it. Of course we have to pay something. Now, what screws over a lot of YouTubers is when they get paid, they just spend all that money. They use that as, you know, their daily livable money, and they don't save anything. And, you know, that's where they go wrong, because yeah, YouTube or Google, they take a chunk of our money that we make, but what the check that we get, that's still untaxed. So we have to put away for tax season when it comes around. But like I said, the YouTubers who are making a living off of YouTube, they can claim anything. I mean, who knows? Maybe StreetSpeed717, he's claiming his McLaren, his Corvettes that he used to have. I don't know if he still has them. Anything that we buy for our channel or directly related to our channel, we can claim on our taxes. For me, YouTube's a hobby. I'm not making a living off of it. I mean, I'm only making about 100 to 150 bucks a month anyways, so it's not like this is a huge chunk of change for me. I mean, it's very nice having this extra change, and I thank all of y'all for watching my videos, but I'm not making a living off of YouTube, so I'm not going to claim anything. This isn't a business for me yet. I mean, hey, maybe one day down the road this will be my full-time thing and it will be a business, and I might look into claiming some of those taxes, the tax breaks, but as of right now, no. But I've been asked about 5 times in the last month, you know, do I pay taxes? Do YouTubers have to pay anything on their taxes? And the answer is yes, we do. But I'm gonna go ahead and edit this video and get down some Crackdown. If y'all haven't played this game, it is super, super fun. Blew me away for sure. So guys, I really do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and please subscribe. And as always, have a great day.